Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah.
What's going on, D&J fam? Hope everybody is doing great today. And if you haven't already, be sure to
like,
comment,
and subscribe.
And today we're gonna be making some elephant toothpaste. So you want to explain like how we're gonna be doing that?
So
She don't know.
It's an experiment, so obviously you just experiment with stuff. But basically it's gonna look like a big old glob of toothpaste. So we got our food coloring, just the blue one. You can pick any color of your choice though, but we got a cut piece of soda bottle. We got some hydrogen peroxide, some lemon juice, baking soda because they didn't have any yeast at Walmart, so we looked for an alternative for that, and it was baking soda instead, and dishwashing liquid.
So we pour the hydrogen peroxide
in this cup.
So just 1 cup,
Yep.
exactly 1 cup. I fill this up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Ain't gonna let the dents out and nothing.
Nope, I ain't. I sure ain't.
I'm not bored.
Be very careful now. Now you are.
Now we're gonna pour the hydrogen peroxide into the thing. We're gonna add 2 large pumps of dishwashing liquid. Is that what it's called?
Something like that.
1, 2. I guess that's what it
That's
is.
good enough. Looks good to me.
You add your food coloring. Yep.
Should I do 1 cup?
I guess so.
I'm not gonna get quite till full cup.
Yeah, what if that costs something? I wouldn't be holding that if I were you.
Hopefully something happens. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to just be sitting here. So that might be good.
So we just added our baking soda.
Hopefully it fills up. Okay, kind of working. It might overflow, I don't know.
Oh, we didn't shake it.
Shake what?
The stuff up.
There it goes. That's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I think if we would have shook it, it would have been a whole lot better.
I want it to overflow. This is definitely what makes it do that.
Like, girl.
Ooh. Yeah, we put too much food coloring in it, so the whole thing blue. We're only supposed to put a little bit, that way it can make the toothpaste streak.
Alright guys, so that first one, it worked, but it wasn't like how we wanted it to be, so we're gonna do a second one. Let's see, turn it, gotta cut it slanted.
Get back.
What's your conclusion on this?
I think it would have worked better if we had yeast.
Yeah, me too. I want to try it again with yeast, and I
Yeah.
want to do it probably outside because I want to do it in like a big container or something.
At least some came out though. I've seen people who failed. And I kind of think we put in the food coloring in wrong too, because the whole thing ain't supposed to turn blue.
I definitely had fun though.
Yep, it was really fun. I like experiments.
Let's say I need some more experiments we can do.
Yeah, so how about y'all comment and let us know what we can do. Like, we like doing stuff with this. So if y'all got any ideas, make sure you comment below and tell us what we can do. Or anything that y'all would like to see us do before y'all try it, maybe. Like you said, I really want to try to make a volcano, to be honest.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
I don't know, and we have another video of experiments where we made slime, so if I haven't seen that one, go check that out. But I would say this was a success. I mean, it wasn't how we expected it to be. I mean, at least not how I expected it to be. But it's still pretty cool.
Yep.
It still worked.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. And don't forget the $50 giveaway once we get 100 subscribers. So we need subscribers to be coming in, you know, because I know a few people that actually have shared our videos and commented done and stuff, so they're already into the drawing or whatever. And how we do it is we do write down all the names of people that have said that they've done it, and then we either gonna put it in a bowl or I can do it in my hand. We're gonna shake it up and then pick one, and that'll be the winner.
Yeah, we'll probably be able to make a video out of it.
Yeah, we'll make a video out of this time. Last time we kind of forgot. It was just
Yeah,
in the
no,
moment.
nobody wants free money apparently. You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? Like your odds are very high of winning.
Yep.
Like, yeah, I think even if all 100 people did it, you still have very high odds. You know what I'm saying? I mean, 1 out of 100.
Yep. So comment down below, like and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on, and share our videos, or share it to somebody that you would think like our videos, or share it to your family members or something. And pretty soon we should be doing vlogs and
That's what this is.
pranks and stuff. But right now this is kind of all we can do for right now. But we will be having stuff, that type of content. So
I guess that's gonna be it for today, right? Well, guys, it's been fun, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah.